Do you think in-house cleaning is cheaper for private schools? Think again. Managing an in-house cleaning team is time-consuming and takes focus away from crucial tasks. Offloading cleaning to teachers increases turnover and reduces cleaning quality. In-house teams may lack proper training, risking safety and leading to costly mistakes. A pristine campus is vital for attracting parents and ensuring student safety. In-house teams face operational costs without the expertise to manage them effectively. Improper cleaning can expose schools to lawsuits and hazards. Proper cleaning helps spot early signs of damage, saving on costly repairs. Outsourcing cleaning brings efficiency, reduces risks, and enhances satisfaction. While professional services might seem pricier, hidden in-house costs are higher. With commercial cleaning, focus on what truly matters: education and safety. Dive deeper into the benefits. Click below to learn more about professional cleaning for schools.